to get drunk. Hey guys, so it is currently raining. It's actually drizzling now, so I'm trying to protect my camera but still vlog and still get like some details and all that. So yeah, we're just walking here. It's so lonely here, but we move. Hey guys, we're going to the bar area, I guess. I'm low-key excited for this one because I can go there. Thank you so much. So we're going now. And we're going to learn how to get drunk. I'm low-key feeling my makeup. The quality here on this, the lens, camera, everything is nothing compared to anything that I've tried. This, above all, is superior. But it's just that it's not convenient and it's really bulky. But I'm using a filter now, so it's gonna get darker if I twist it, brighter, depending on what the sun looking like and what stuff I put it on. So I'm gonna be vlogging with 3 cameras because a girl is extra. Hi Van, I'm Kelechi. You can call me Kelly. And this is my husband. You can call him Collins.
So today we are going to just have a
okay.
So we make it just a simple hotel. One girl. That is mojito.
Mojito. Okay.
And this the other one.
Is what?
Juniper.
Okay. Okay, let's do one more. Can we do Long Island? Because he likes Long Island.
Like Long Island?
Yes. Lemon.
So just 20 ml of lime juice.
Lime juice.
Yeah.
Okay. Lime juice.
30 ml.
30 mils.
Of vodka.
Okay. Rum. So that 20 mil. 20 mil. We eat after this, please.
Tequila.
Tequila.
This is this Mexican tequila, but also
Mexican tequila. Oh, okay. So 20 ml. 20.
It's got gin.
Gin as well.
It's the same taste gin.
Triple sec, yeah. Ugh, that's a lot of alcohol.
Yeah, you see. I don't know.
That's a lot of alcohol.
Ice.
Ice.
Yeah.
He's going to add a little bit of Coke as well.
So this is bad.
Yay!
You can simply garnish this with a lime wheel.
Okay, amazing. So who's gonna drink this?
One.
Okay. Cheers. That's how beautiful it looks. Wow.
So you will come and show us one to more mojito with
My
alcohol.
mojito with alcohol. Ish! Are you ready?
Comfortable with grabs,
My gloves.
the grabs?
Yeah, I'll be comfortable with it. I'll make it work. So now we're just trying to make sure that. But I'm doing it myself though. You're not helping me.
Yeah,
I'm doing
don't
myself.
help you.
Okay, I could do it. I can handle it myself. So can I name this bar whatever name I want to name it?
Yeah.
Can I call it Kelly's Bar?
Whatever it
I
is.
say welcome to Kelly's Bar. Hey, hi guys. Hi. So welcome to Kelly's Bar. What can I get you? What do you want?
I want mojito.
You want a mojito? Okay,
Extra
right. So
strong, please.
extra strong. All right. So first of all, I'm going to get my glass. The reason why we do this is because this is a Mexican drink, So we're just going to take, so 1, 2, 3, I feel like I want to use 5, okay? So next up, I'm going to be using some mint, just to add a little bit of flavor, because mojito, you know, has a lot of flavor, freshness to it. What was that for? So is that to like to extract the flavor? Okay. Fresh mint leaves inside here. And next things next, we're going to be using syrup, and I'm going to be using 30 ml of this. This is 30 ml of simple syrup. So put this in here, and next up we are going to be using freshly squeezed lime juice. Yeah. Then 20 ml of this. Yes. Okay. We're gonna be crushing all this together just to extract the juice, get the flavors, you know, get the freshness working for us. So I'm going to crush this down. And you know that it's ready when your hands start hurting. And now I think we are perfect. So we've extracted the juice in here. And right now, we are going to add a little bit of passion fruit. So we're going to add 30 ml of it. This is also going to add flavor to it. It's going to help dilute the rum. Okay, thank you. And next up, we're going to be adding Jamaican rum. This is 50, this is 45. Okay, we're going to pour this in. Wow. And next up, we are going to get our fresh mint, just so it looks beautiful. Now it is looking heavenly, it is looking divine. I'm gonna get my paper straw. Can you see that? That is what we want. If they don't give you this, take it back. Our drink is ready to be served. Mix this a little bit, just a little bit, and it's perfect.
Is that with alcohol? Yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Okay. So, yeah. Customer, yeah. Can you have your drink? Here you go. This is your mojito. How does it taste?
Wow.
Very dramatic.
Nice.
Nice.
From Elena, amazing.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for having me here. I learned how to make Long Island mojito, virgin and non-virgin, so I'm pretty excited. I feel like this is something I really wanted to try. So now at this point, I think I can try with experimenting with other drinks. Hey guys, so we're about to have, or we're supposed to have, a romantic dinner on the beach, and that's basically what we're doing here. I'm trying to see, and I'm trying to wait for someone to turn on the light because it's pretty cold here. It's actually really cold. It just rained. It's been raining throughout today basically, so we're here for dinner. We haven't eaten all day. So hungry. And it's supposed to be a 7-course meal, so we came ready basically.
The pillows.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's more comfortable.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I just wanted to stop because I miss you so much. I miss the way.
Where is this?
It's a moose bush. It's a green papaya with crab and mangoes and a little bit of belly.
Lettuce.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
Music here, is it possible to get music here?
Music?
Yeah. Okay, so this is what we're having as a starter. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks good.
No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to say